I'll be honest with you guys, I use our pre-painting prep for cleaning almost every surface in the garage and it works well. But painting or powder coating over a dirty surface is the most likely cause of coating failures. I'm talking about oils, dirt, fingerprints, grease, waxes, polishing compounds, salts, soluble oils, cutting fluid. All of that can be cleaned off and removed entirely with our new pre-green painting prep, which is available as a gallon, a quart with a spray nozzle, or it comes as a bucket of 200 pre-soaked lint-free wipes. Pretty neat. So let's talk about what makes this product green. First off, this is going to be an alkaline-based formula rather than an acidic one. pH is going to be between 12 and 12.3. It's also not solvent-based, but it's water-based instead, which makes it perfect for not only cleaning a surface before paint or powder application, but this can be used after paint and powder have already been applied without worrying if solvents are going to eat through your coating. You can also use this in between primer and top coat with no issues whatsoever. The first thing I personally noticed about pre-green is that it doesn't stink. There's no ammonia or acetone smell like with other cleaners, and even more impressively, the formula doesn't have any terpenes or fragrances added into it. It just doesn't smell. And that's great not just for me, but the smell doesn't leak into the house from my attached garage, so the family doesn't complain about the stink either. And I like the fact that this stuff doesn't give me a headache after prolonged use as well. This stuff is also non-caustic, which means you could do this with it as well. Non-caustic means it won't chemically burn organic tissue, which is nice peace of mind. I do still wear gloves when I use it though, because it does dry my hands out, because pre-green strips oils after all, even the natural oils found on skin. Pre-green is also non-flammable, of course, so no worries about having this in the garage around whatever, welding sparks, space heaters, electrical components. This also isn't in an aerosol, which makes it more environmentally friendly. And as far as how to use this stuff, you could dump some onto a rag, or you could use the Windex style sprayer bottle with the cord here, or you could buy pre-green in the tub of 200 pre-soaked lint-free wipes, which are very easy to use. You can also dilute this formula. Since it's water-based, you can go 3-to-1, which makes this stuff last a very long time. And if you really want to go with the spray, you can load this into a non-aerosolized pressure sprayer. You can pick one of those up, $40-50, and that really makes cleaning the bigger jobs that much easier. We here at Eastwood, we've all heard our Californian friends asking for our original pre-painting prep, and we're thrilled to say that pre-green is 50-state legal, passes SCAQMD certification, and is available for sale in California. Using pre-green is very easy, works just like our regular pre, but with no VOCs, solvents, or smells. It also doesn't leave any streaks, so you don't have to rinse it off. And last but certainly not least, this little flag on the label right here, pre-green is also proudly made right here in the USA. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Also, make sure you check out our channel as well. We post tons of great how-to content over there you're definitely going to want to see. And as always, we'll have the pre-green link below. Thanks for watching. I'm JD. Keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.